a super hassle for you? Are you extending so much elbow grease? Teko said, let's give you a way to make cleaning a little bit easier. Let's give you an electric scrubber that's handheld and is going to release that grime and that dirt so it can be cleaned away much more easily. We're also going to give you multiple brushes so you can clean away in a variety of different shapes and sizes and in different rooms around your home. Originally $43, but tonight it's $24.99. I'm going to show you what you're going to get all right here. So first of all, you are going to get the handheld, cordless, rechargeable electric scrubber. You are going to get various brushes that go on top. So here is a sponge brush for you. There's a bristle brush. This tapered brush, we'll show you what that's for, but think all of your kind of cylindrical, maybe strangely shaped options. And then this one's really genius. This is a long silicone brush for you. And then of course you're going to get the USB cable so you can charge and have everything good to go. Now we have a few different color choices for you. So this is the cobalt that I have in studio. And then we'll go to QVC.com and show you the other options because I don't think they're... Okay, here's your grapefruit. There's your graphite. And there is your sky option. Okay, we're going to welcome in the wonderful Kevin, who's back with us as well. Kevin, thanks so much for sticking around and for coming to show us Teko.
Thanks for having me.
This really is that way to, if we're trying to scrub and it's a pain in the elbow and the arm and the shoulder, we just let electricity do the work.
Right, this allows you to use less elbow grease and allow the scrubber to take over. You had mentioned the Genius silicone brush, and I swear, if it was just with the brush, it would be worth it because the amount of weird objects we have around the house that we don't even realize like, how many of us have taken a spoon or a spatula and put paper towels on it to try and get in that weird area to get the gunk out? With this, it gets into all those weird tight spots, even spots that you wouldn't think it would fit in. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Ketchup bottles, mustard bottles, vases. We're all trying to use less plastic, and seems like everybody here at QVC has one of those reusable water bottles.
Yes.
And those too. Like, if you ever wanted to try and fit your hand in it, it's not very easy, but this allows you to really get down there. And this is just one of the 4 brushes.
Yeah, let's talk about the other 4 that we get. No matter which brush we go with, the work is done by the electricity here in the handheld scrubber.
And there's 3 different settings, so there's 3 different torque settings. That one, what I just did was the least amount of torque.
Oh,
but say you want to really get some extra damage in and really get all that gunk off. So here we have, I took the sponge brush, which is absorbent. You can use your favorite household liquid, and this one's already ready to go. But I'm just going to go right down the middle.
Oh, look at that.
Now, normally you would do this, you would have running water at home, but since we're in studio, I'm just going to take a rag and show you the difference.
Yeah. Immediately, you're seeing that difference there.
And, like, this isn't just fake, guys. Like,
wow, is that beautiful. So you're getting that cleanliness from that scrub brush, and that scrub brush has a little bit of a kind of bristly pad on the end and then great kind of plush softness. So it's really going to mold to whatever you're trying to clean in a really beautiful way. And you're seeing it's really easy to just snap one off and put the other one right back on.
Snap one off. So we're going to put the cylindrical one, which is great for contours. This is great for your grout, for the restroom. I got here a dish, which... how many times did this happen? It burns around the edge, and we all take our finger and we rub up against it, and we might lose a nail, we might hurt ourselves, and it doesn't seem to do a very good job. So again, we're just going to use our favorite household cleaner. Okay. Again, normally you would do this under running water, but since we're in studio, just going to put it on the lowest setting, guys, just to show you. I'm going to start up here and come up.
That's really great to have that shape that gets into those little grooves. That's beautiful. And then look at that. It's released everything. So now you have just a wipe clean. Could not be simpler. A clearance price under $25 for the handheld scrubber, and then also 4 different tools. So the silicone brush, the sponge brush, your bristle brush, and then also this cylindrical that's going to help you get into all those strange spaces here. It's called the tapered brush, actually, excuse me. Really easy.
Here's an example of a strange place, and it's always tough to get the burn off the cake out of there, the batter. But again, guys, the flat brush seems to fit in perfectly.
Wow.
No elbow grease, it's actually fun to use, and it's really satisfying when you see that mess come up.
And you don't have this all over your hands. Now you are just letting the tool do the work, and you can wipe clean and be good to go. You don't even need to put that in the dishwasher. Look at that.
No, you don't.
Everything's just completely gone. Wow. Okay, so this comes to us from the wonderful father and son duo, and they're bringing us Teko with the great kind of everything that we could need in a great tool. This is that electric handheld scrubber. Here's your cobalt option. That's the most popular. We have the grapefruit, graphite, and finally the sky option available for you. Give us a call. Thank you so much, Kevin.
Thank you.
Now, we're talking all about